Emergency alerts, Amber alerts, and all those can be pretty intense. And if you don't want your phone to beep at full blast every time those happen, you can turn them off. Here's how. First, we'll go to Settings, and then scroll down to Safety and Emergency. Then you're going to look for a menu called Wireless Emergency Alerts. On something like a Pixel phone, this is usually all the way on the bottom. Here we have a couple of options. On the top, there's sort of a master toggle that will enable or disable all emergency alerts. If you want, just turn that off, and none of these will beep on your phone. Below the master switch, you'll have different categories, so you don't have to disable all of them if you want to just turn off a specific category. You can also choose whether these are allowed to vibrate your phone, and one really useful toggle is towards the bottom, Always Alert at Full Volume. If this is turned on, your phone will absolutely scream at you, and you'll probably freak out when there's suddenly a super loud alarm. Toggle it off, and the phone stops forcing the emergency alert to hit max volume, and instead respects your current ringer and notification volume. Just be aware that for truly critical, life-or-death government alerts, like a localized natural disaster warning, some carriers or regional regulations may still override your settings and blast the alert anyway. So, that's how you turn off emergency alerts on Android phones. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe while you're at it. I post similar, simple, and quick guides almost every day. Thanks all, until next time.